Hi everyone, welcome back to Seametal channel again. I'm very happy to bring you a new product today. It's called Car Sun Shade, and you may have ever learned some about it, but today's one is our updated new version from Seametal company. Okay, and you see here, it's made of high quality aluminum foil on the outside layer and with polyester fabric, and the material is good. It may work a long time. Okay, and the installation is very easy, and we have prepared with the product and with some suction cup, and you may put it here, okay, on each side. And there is an extra for fix on the other side, and we'll show you in the car, and you may see. And this one you fix it on the windshield, and the other side on the passenger seat. And when you need to use it, you just pull it, okay, and fix it. Okay, and this one, the sunshade, is quite useful in the summer, and it can not only protect your car interior, and also will cool your car's temperature. And it's small but can really make a big difference, and it can cool your car temperature up to 50 degrees. And also, it's universal for all kinds of cars. And if you have a smaller vehicle, you may choose a smaller size, and we have other size, and for you more choice. And also, actually, it can be used for any windshield, and you may use it even for your home, and as a shelter for your glass. Okay, and the serial number is serial number for this product is C39936, and you may find it easily from seametalseal.com. Okay, we'll spend some time in the car and show you how it looks like and how it works. Okay, let's go now. Okay, everybody, and you may imagine on a hot summer day, and especially when you have a dark color car, the temperature inside is unbearable. But with this sunshade, it will be quite different. And you see, this one is quite easy to install. And first, you may install this 4 section cup, and 3 have been installed well, and I'll show you the first. And this one is very soft and flexible, and okay, it's quite easy to. Okay, so now fix it, and you may choose put this side on the driver's side or passenger side, and also on the other side there are fastener, so a similar suction cup. And today I will choose to put this part on the passenger side, and you may check the length is well enough. If it's a little longer and you want it to be fit, and you can cut it very easily and trim its size to perfectly fit. But today I'd like to take this one. Okay, first let me put here. This is the whole effect. Okay, for this product, we have 3 types, and this one is the first one, and this one is the smallest one. And you may choose it for your, rear glass, or for your car glass on the rear road. And the same as this section one, it's quite easy to install at this. Okay, and also you may choose it for your home use. You can use it for any sun protection for your home. Okay, thank you very much for your watching, and if you find my introduction a little bit helpful with your online shopping, please support us, and please subscribe our channel and you will learn more products from our company. Thanks for watching.